I want to talk to you about 5 things that you probably don't know about Anthem Off-Road Wheels. We are a small hometown company started by a few guys from the Midwest who knew that there had to be a better way to break wheel industry standards, and that's exactly what they set out to do. Their goal was to present you, the customer, with the absolute best experience possible. So I love this stuff. It's a community, it's a team, it's something that you won't find anywhere else in the wheel industry. So number 2 on the list, talking about customer experience, we want you to get your wheels completely ready to go. So yeah, we sell Anthem Off-Road wheels, but we also offer every major tire manufacturer available. So you pick out your wheels, you pick out a tire, let us do the mounting and balancing for you. We will mount them, balance them, and ship them for free to your door. The 4 arches surrounding the logo remind us to stay committed to our nation's military, our first responders, our true working class, and really any patriot who supports all of those. If you believe in that, man, you need to pick up a set of Anthem Off-Road wheels. All right, so let's talk about the 3 star points. Probably the most eye-catching part of the Anthem design reminds us to maintain a focus on customer experience, developing that customer relationship and really making you feel part of the Anthem team. We know that you can get a nice set of black wheels anywhere, but we want Anthem Off-Road wheels to always have the most unique wheel designs, something that you can enjoy, something that you can put on your vehicle and just be proud of, because nobody else has it. And that's exactly who we're focused on. My favorite part of the Anthem logo is the 3 insignia style stripes. They remind us to remain hardworking, to push ourselves to be better, but also stay selfless, right? We only exist because of Team Anthem, and we appreciate the heck out of you for it. And the last insignia style stripe is to stay proud of what we have and what we worked for and everything that we've built, but humble enough to appreciate that we didn't do it by ourselves. The Anthem Ambassador program really encompasses the relationship that we want to build within Team Anthem. We want you to be part of the team. We want you to feel involved, and that's why we developed the Ambassador program the way that we did. No question, my favorite thing about Anthem Off-Road wheels is the customer experience, right? I'm not just talking about good customer service. I'm talking about Anthem Wheels has an Anthem Insiders list. And that's great, right? So you sign up for an email list, but it's not just that. We partner with Anthem Insiders to design every wheel that we put on the street. We work with you to make sure we are developing wheels that you genuinely want to drive, that you would be proud to have on your vehicle. We love what we get to do, and we want you to be part of the team.